Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best video backdrops are probably one of the most crucial elements in elevating your content from amateur to professional, transforming a cluttered or uninspired space into a visually appealing and immersive environment that captivates your audience and enhances your brand's image, making it an indispensable tool for any serious content creator looking to make a lasting impression. Number 5. HUAYI 5 by 7 foot white brick wall vinyl backdrop D2504. Introducing our high-quality vinyl backdrop, perfect for your photography needs. It's a popular choice for parties and private events, including live shows and product photography. Please keep it away from fire, water, and prolonged direct sunlight. Store it in a dark, dry place and wipe clean with a dry cloth. This classic backdrop is conveniently folded and placed in a waterproof bag for air transportation. It's designed for easy carrying and storage. To remove creases, simply iron the reverse side with a steam iron on a low temperature setting, less than 200 degrees Celsius, using minimal steam. It's ideal for a variety of events, including birthdays, baby showers, weddings, and graduations. Use it for photo studios, product photography, or video production. What we like. This backdrop offers a classic brick wall aesthetic, perfect for adding a touch of rustic charm to your videos. Its econ vinyl material is both durable and easy to handle. If you're looking for a versatile backdrop for product photography, live shows, or private events, this is a solid choice. What people say. The colors were true to the listing, and from a distance, the brick and wood texture looked realistic. The vinyl material is lightweight and easy enough to set up with some pushpins. The print is great though very detailed and looks real. Print quality is great and it's not sheer at all. Very nice backdrop that you can decorate for whatever occasion you'd like. Number 4. Yoochees Small Photo Backdrop Board Kit. Elevate your product shots with this versatile backdrop kit. It's designed to make your items look more professional and eye-catching. This kit is incredibly easy to use and transport. When folded, it's about the size of A3 paper, fitting neatly into the included carrying bag. Crafted from high-quality coated paper, the surfaces are durable and waterproof, making cleanup a breeze with a damp cloth. Perfect for showcasing a wide range of small items, from delicious food to exquisite jewelry and cosmetics. Achieve stunning flat-lay visuals effortlessly. This kit comes complete with a folding board, double-sided paper backdrops, clips, an L bracket, and a convenient carrying bag. Transform your tabletop photography with this essential tool. It's ideal for anyone looking to create engaging visuals for social media, online stores, or blogs. What we like. This kit is designed for small-scale product photography, making your items pop on social media. The double-sided patterns offer great variety for flat lays. If you're a blogger, online seller, or focusing on jewelry or food photography, this easy-to-use and portable option is ideal. What people say. The quality of the material is top-notch, it's sturdy yet lightweight, so it's easy to set up and move around. The colors are vibrant, and the print is clear with no pixelation. The double-sided panels give me tons of variety, marble, wood, tiles, and more. It's easy to set up, especially with the included brackets that hold the background in place. Lightweight but sturdy enough to stay put during filming. The look is absolutely stunning, vibrant colors and intricate designs that really enhance my photos. It adds a professional touch, making my images pop. In terms of functionality, it's very easy to set up and take down. The material is lightweight, which makes it convenient to transport for different sheets, whether I'm using it indoors or outdoors. Number 3. RAUBAY Retractable Pull-Down Green Screen. Our retractable green screen offers an expansive 78.7 x 86.6 size. This provides ample space, perfect for capturing content with multiple people. Crafted from premium composite polyester, the fabric ensures a smooth, wrinkle-free surface. Its excellent resilience guarantees a flawless backdrop every time. Adjust the height with ease, it locks automatically when you stop pulling. To retract, a simple tug is all it takes for it to slowly roll back on its own. Choose the installation method that suits you best. It can be easily wall-mounted or hung, offering great flexibility for your setup. Ideal for YouTube, TikTok, streaming, and video conferencing, this backdrop is essential for creating professional quality content. Elevate your media production effortlessly. What we like. Achieve professional-looking videos with this large, retractable green screen. Its premium fabric ensures a smooth, wrinkle-free surface for easy chroma keying. If you're serious about video production, streaming, or video conferencing and need a reliable, easy-to-deploy backdrop, this is the one. What people say. The backdrop is made of a durable, wrinkle-resistant fabric that is easy to set up and take down. It provides a professional-looking background for videos, enhancing the overall quality of the content. The size is generous, offering ample coverage for most filming setups and allowing for creative positioning. Number 2. Vintage Red Brick Wall Photo Backdrop. Introducing our vintage red brick wall photo backdrop, perfect for creating stunning portraits. Its classic design adds a touch of timeless charm to any photograph. Measuring 10 by 8 feet, this backdrop offers ample space for your creative vision. Crafted from high-quality vinyl, it's designed for durability and easy maintenance. Enjoy a professional look with its matte, non-reflective surface. This ensures your subjects are always in focus, free from distracting glare. From baby showers and birthdays to video calls and product photography, this backdrop is incredibly versatile. It's an essential prop for celebrating special moments and enhancing your online presence. Need a specific size or theme? We offer custom services to bring your unique ideas to life. Let us help you create the perfect backdrop for any event or space. Designed for convenience, it's easy to fold and carry. This makes it a practical choice for photographers on the go or for effortless storage. What we like. This backdrop provides a spacious and detailed vintage red brick wall, perfect for portraits and themed events. Its high-resolution vinyl is easy to clean and non-reflective. If you need a statement piece for newborn photos, parties, or even as a unique office background, consider this for its size and customizability. What people say. The vinyl material is light and easy to work with. It is not flimsy and does not feel like it would easily tear. The subtle differences in the variation of the bricks across the background makes it look very real. It is a matte finish so the studio lights do not shine and cause reflection on it. The pattern is busy enough that they are not noticeable, even with my studio lighting on them. Number 1. DASHAN 8 by 6 foot Polyester Photography Backdrop. Introducing our 8 by 6 foot photography backdrop, perfect for a variety of occasions. It's designed to enhance your photo shoots with its quality and versatility. Crafted from 100% polyester, this backdrop is both lightweight and durable. Its soft texture and foldable design make it easy to use and store. Featuring high-definition digital printing, it boasts bright, fade-resistant colors. This backdrop is wrinkle-free, washable, and ironable for repeated use. Elevate your celebrations with this backdrop, suitable for birthdays, baby showers, weddings, and professional studio photography. It can even be used for home decor. The backdrop is sent folded, but creases can be easily removed by ironing the backside on low heat. Please note, the backdrop stand is not included. What we like. This backdrop features a modern home interior with a wood floor, ideal for creating a cozy and professional atmosphere. The polyester material is durable, wrinkle-resistant, and can be washed and ironed. If you're looking for a versatile background for Zoom meetings, YouTube videos, or home decor-themed shoots, this offers a clean and inviting look. What people say. It looks very real. I just used a small steamer to get the wrinkles out. Excelente fondo con un acabado muy realista para las fotos, y es impresionante la calidad. This is printed on nice, non-reflective fabric. It is not like some cheaper plastic vinyl-coated backdrops you find on Amazon. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.